Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space, I am participating in the $5 Goodwill challenge. And if you are not familiar with this challenge, it is being hosted by the lovely Hilary over at Old World Home. Now she's been hosting this seasonal challenge for years, and this is probably the 10th or so time I have participated. What she's asked us to do is to take $5 and go to your local thrift store, secondhand store, resale shop, garage sale, anywhere you can purchase used items, home decor to display in your house for the season. And we are in spring. So I lucked out, and as you can see, I have 3 candle holders that came from Bath and Body Works, and I am so excited that I ended up getting all 3 of these candle holders for $3.48. Yes, $3.48. The large one originally cost $11.50, and then the 2 small ones cost $4.50 a piece. So that was $20.50 without tax, and I got them for $3.48. So let me show you where I'm going to be placing these in my home. I really love the color of them. I like the design. They look like they have leaves in this really pretty pattern, and I'm hoping that they will fit in with my spring decor. Okay, here are my candle holders, and I have to say I love how they look here in my formal living room. I have placed them in this mirrored glass tray that is sitting atop my acrylic coffee table, and as you can see, it is next to some coffee table books that I've placed a little bunny on. But in the tray, along with these candle holders, I also have some boxwood, a lotus flower candle holder that I never put a candle in because I think it's beautiful on its own. I also have a brass candlestick that I turned upside down because the bottom is hollow, and I placed some dogwood in. So the whole display is mostly thrifted items except for the tray, and I think it turned out really, really nice. The big candle holder actually has a Bath and Body Works candle in it. It is actually outside of its glass because the glass was broken, but I will place it back in one if I decide to burn it. And then these 2 small ones are also holding Dollar Tree LED votive candles. I absolutely love the design on these holders, and I have never seen an entire set. So that is it. I want to thank Hilary for including me in this challenge. I will link her channel down below along with the playlist of all the other participants. Please go by and show everyone some love after you're done with my video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it is spelled here. And I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.